Good morning. I was doing some research after this whole Drake thing about the hot sauce in the vagina, and I have a remedy. Well, it's not my remedy. It's from the Chemical Society, and if you get hot sauce, peppers, or spicy in your vulva, the chemical that comes off of that is capsaicin. I hope I'm saying that right, but I'll put the word down here. And what it does is it just burns just for about 15 minutes. It's just irritation. And a mouth is just like the vagina, or the vagina is just like the mouth, as far as the membranes. And just like you can yoni steam, the vulva, it will only absorb. So the trick to get it to cool down will be milk. Pat it down. Don't pour water on it because that can make the irritation spread. But pat it down and pour milk on it. Or take a milk bath. 15 minutes, you should be good. So I don't know how far she could get with suing because it's a really mild thing. Now, if you try to stick it up in there, like all the way up in the hole, like you're trying to make it go to your uterus, then you probably need to go to the hospital and get some stirrups and let them put some kind of cooling cream on it. But if I had aloe vera, I would pat that there. And then also, this is very common because people cook with hot peppers, chili powders, then they go use the bathroom and they forget. So ladies, wash your hands before you go to the bathroom after playing or cooking in peppers. You know how you're trying to be cute and cook a good meal before sex and all that kind of stuff? Wash your hands with Dawn dishwashing liquid, something to get the spices off, because it's very easy to happen. Okay, that's it.